A few weeks ago, the movie of Super Mario Bros. Was released, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the Super Mario Bros. Theme the easiest way possible on the guitar. This theme song isn't easy at all because it has difficult timing. But if you know the song very well, it's easier to play for you. I give you one tip, play it slow. Via the link in the description you can download the tabs of the Super Mario Bros. Theme for free. So grab your guitar and play along with me the Super Mario Bros. Theme. We start on the thin E string and we play it 3 times. And after that we play the first fret of the B string. And then we play the open thin E string and the 3rd fret on the thin E string. So. And then you have to play the open G string. That's the intro of the theme, and then the theme starts with the first fret of the B string, the open G string, and then the 2nd fret on the D string. And then we have to place our middle finger 1 string lower to the G string, because we have to play the 2nd fret of the G string. And then we have to play the open B string. And then we place our ring finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. And after that, the 2nd fret of the G string. So. So one more time. And then you have to play the open G string and the open E string after that. And then you have to move your hand to the 3rd fret and play the 3rd fret of the thin E string with your index finger. And after that you have to play the 5th fret. Then you have to move your hand to the 1st position and you have to play the 1st fret of the thin E string with your index finger. And then the 3rd fret and then the open E string. And then you have to go 1 string group higher. So go to the 1st fret of the B string, 3rd fret of the B string and the open B string. So. Slower. Then you have to repeat the bar we've played earlier. So. And then you have to repeat the bar after that as well. So we're going to loop these 4 bars for 2 times. 3, 4. Repeat. And after this part we're going to the next part, and the next part starts on the 1st fret of the B string. And you don't have to play this because it's the bass note, but it will be easier if you play this note. So. Then you have to play the 3rd fret on the thin E string with your ring finger, the 2nd fret with your middle finger and the 1st fret with your index finger. So. And then you have to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and then have to play the open thin E string. One more time and then you have to play this riff from the 1st fret of the G string to the 2nd fret of the G string to the 1st fret of the B string. And then you have to play the second fret of the G string, first fret of the B string, and the third fret on the B string. So. So, from the start of this bar, again. And in the next bar you have to play the same notes as the bar we've just played, but we don't play the bass note. So we don't play the first fret of the B string, but we immediately play the third fret on the thin E string. Then you have to play the 8th fret 3 times. So. And it's easier to find the 8th fret if you know that it's between the 2 dots on your guitar. So from the start, from this part up to this point. Repeat. And then you have to repeat the first bar of this part again. But after that you have to play the 4th fret on the B string, 3rd fret on the B string, and the 1st fret on the B string. So. Again, and 4, 3, 1. So the last part of this section, and we're going to play it twice. Again, and. So now we're going to play this whole part, and you have to repeat this part twice. So 3, 4, and 1. Repeat and. And the next part starts with the first fret on the B string, and you have to play it 4 times. And then you have to play the 3rd fret on the B string. And then you have to play the open thin E string, 1st fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the G string, and the open G string. Again. So. And then you have to play the first part of this bar again. And after that you have to play the open thin E string. So. Again and. So, from the start of this part. They have to play the first bar again. And then you have to play the intro. So now I've explained the whole theme song, we're going to play along. In the settings of this YouTube player, you can adjust the tempo of this video so it's easier to play along with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and good luck with the play along.